It climbs quickly and quietly, strangling even the most formidable opponents. Survival is its only consideration, as it slowly and systematically destroys surrounding competitors in its quest for sunlight. Those who get in its way have no chance. It is the Japanese honeysuckle. The Japanese honeysuckle is a non-native invasive plant. Hailing from Japan and Korea, the honeysuckle was introduced in the 1800s as a form of ornamentation and erosion control. Its flowers provide a sweet nectar, inspiring the name honeysuckle. Carol Bergman is the forest ecologist for the Montgomery County Parks and is part of the Park Planning and Stewardship Division. Bergman feels quite passionately about non-native invasives.
Non-native invasive says the whole thing. Non-native, it's from an ecosystem other than this one, and so it's evolved without the same predators, parasites, pathogens here that it would have had wherever it came from.
She describes non-native invasives as plants that dominate local wildlife scenes and threaten the survival of native plants. These plants decrease biodiversity and offset not only native plants, but also native animals, often causing the decline of native animal food sources. The honeysuckle, although well loved by many for its sweet and identifiable flowers, is overpopulating Montgomery County parks. Additionally, the honeysuckle's evergreen nature also gives it an advantage over other domestic plants.
It's an example of a technique that a lot of invasives have, which is they extend the season. They take up, by staying green later into the season or getting green earlier in the spring, they can do their life cycle. They can build up their roots. They can build up their innards and, make more fruit, grow faster. They are taking advantage of this winter sun.
17 years ago, she also started the Weed Warriors program, an effort that works towards training citizens in the identification and removal of invasive species.
So I decided, why not make a program that citizens like myself, someone who was interested in this problem, saw the problem, could help. Why can't I, as the forest ecologist for the county park system, make a certification program so the people that were trained could actually help?
Bergman also hopes that other states will adopt the Weed Warriors program in the fight against invasive species in our parks.